How to fix REDnote app not opening. Now, there is a simple way on how you can fix this problem. Now, the simple explanation on why you can't open the REDnote app on your mobile devices is because you don't have a compatible mobile device for the REDnote application, making it impossible to open the application. Now, to fix this, you can just go ahead and update your operating system. So if you're using something like an Apple device, you can just navigate through the settings, click on general, and from there you will be able to see the software update. Now if you're using Android, you want to navigate through your settings, and from here you want to scroll all the way down, click on system, and once inside system, click on system update. From here you want to make sure that you are using the latest system update available on your specific mobile devices. Now this can ensure that we have a compatible version of our specific system or operating system right here that will be able to operate or open the REDnote application. You can just go ahead and navigate back to your Play Store or App Store, and from there you want to make sure that you have successfully installed the application to your device. If this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.